Oh hey, hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel and welcome to my house. Come on in. Okay, you guys, we just got a new house and come. Honey, we have visitor. We just got them recently and over here in my kitchen we have a lot of food. Come here. This is our kitchen. It's kind of small, but a little bit of my refrigerator is very small too. I mean, not enough space to have a lot of stuff, so yeah. Come here, we have food. Pancit, we have eggplant, this is just our lunch for today, just me and my husband and maybe 2 friends are coming over. Yeah. Oh, hey guys, you're here in my office. Wow. Come here, I'll show you something. This is my vanity. So you guys, one thing I really like is to have a lot of shoes. But I'm not quiet there. I think I have like what? I think 100 pairs, I believe, or 200 pairs. Come on in, come here to my closet. You guys, this is my my shoe closet. As you can see, it's already tight in here. But this is just like a little bit of them. I'm not into shoes at all. Like, this is just like for what? Every maybe hour I wear, shoes, but this is nothing, Yeah, I'm not into accessories either. This is just a decoration. Yeah, I don't like this at all. Like, I need to change here. This one, if I go to the restroom, and if I want to go to the patio, I use some like this kind of stuff because I want to blend the flowers. And if I'm going to North Pole, I will be wearing this, some kind of pom-pom. This is gonna like warm my feet. Come here. If I go to the farm, I'll use my boots. And this, you guys, if you have a wedding, I'm gonna use the...
Can I get a pair of my shoes, please?
Excuse me?
Are you lost?
This is...
Hey, Janen.
How are you? Okay?
Doing good. Welcome to my home.
Oh, so this is your home. Okay, you guys, so let's go. Show me your house. Oh my God, it's very new, and you guys, it's her birthday today. Happy birthday, girly.
Thank you.
How old are you?
Oh my God.
Just kidding.
I'm
Look at you,
35,
okay?
so
When
I was young, I thought 35 was too old, but hey, we're here, right?
And you guys can hear this English, right? Hey, girl.
No.
But here's the thing, though. Since it's your birthday, it's going to be English-only policy.
English-only policy.
Yeah, it's her birthday. So, show me around. Let's go to her kitchen. Okay,
Yeah.
go.
So we moved a week and a half ago. So we waited since March to get this house built, and we're just very excited. And I'm very excited to share this with you guys. And again, thanks to Janen for taking a video of this. But, so come on in. So this is going to be like the entrance. And it opens up to our dining and our living room. And so yeah.
Is this your birthday gift?
That's what pretty much my husband is saying. So
Wow, bahay.
is it not
Hello.
just a coincidence?
That's the owner too. Hi, Grace. Yeah, okay. Wow, this is a beautiful place.
Thank you. So, my favorite part, huh?
Oh, your favorite part, me too. I love kitchen.
Yes.
Where the magic happens.
Because as Filipinos, we love to eat. And
Yes.
So we, there's a lot of room for people to move around. And
Do you want me to invite my neighbors to come here because it's a lot of place to move around?
Yes. Yes. So because it's my birthday, it's going to be extra special. I really don't do a lot of this video thing when, during my birthday. But, so since we're here, I made some pancit.
Yeah,
and
man, there's a lot of food.
Yeah, food is not done like we're still halfway there.
Yeah.
So eggplants for tortang talong, right? And then making spaghetti for mostly the Americans.
Okay.
Right?
Who, the English girl, the English. I cannot.
You cannot. So I'm making seafood sinigang, which is one of my favorites.
Awesome, you guys.
And then
That's her specialty.
with a lot of vegetables. I love vegetables, and so is my friend. So
Yes, you know.
right. And of course, we have our seafood. So we got octopus and we got squid. Still quite early.
So what are we gonna do now?
So let's just go around and
Woo!
maybe I can show you a little bit more.
Let's go upstairs.
The bedroom downstairs. I think Dustin is in
Hey!
here.
Hi!
Hey!
Oh! Hey, excuse me. When did you get here?
By the way, like you guys will be the first people to see this home. We haven't even scheduled our housewarming yet, but
Hashtag close friend. Hey!
Yes.
For the first person here, you know. So this is
the early birds, right?
Okay.
So this is the guest bedroom.
Hello. Okay.
Go upstairs.
You know, and the carpet is clean, so no shoes. It's a Filipino house.
Okay, me too.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So this is the landing.
Oh, this is the landing. Wow! In my house, this is the. In my place, this is the where you walk, the hallway. Woohoo! Where we going?
All right. So now, are you excited about your?
Yes! Before this house is built, you guys, I already had a contract that I'm gonna have a jail room. Or should I say that whatever rooms looks cute. I'm sorry, bakla. You know?
First come, first serve.
Yes!
Okay. You want to open?
Hey! There you go. Nice. This reminds me of cherry blossom.
Welcome to Japan.
For real, like the pink, the whites, you know, everything soft. It's like a baby's girl. Well, this is a Jill's place. Jill's place?
No, because this the upstairs has a Jack and Jill bathroom, so it connects into one guest bathroom. So that's why we have this Jill, and you're gonna see Jack in a moment.
So you guys, this is Jill, and if you don't know what's Jack and Jill back home, it's pretzels. You know, so this is Jill. This is our room. Our room. I'm gonna put my name, Janen. So where are we going?
The connecting bathroom.
Oh,
The Jack.
sweet means me and Cheryl's gonna share. I don't wanna share. I like it. Wow.
And the toilet, of course, opens up to the left.
To the left, okay. To the left. Perfect. And
And
let's
this
go
one
to
opens
Jack.
up to Jack.
Oh! Welcome to Jack, you guys. Jack is from Titanic. Woo, child. And you guys, as you know, if you're in the rich house place, the comforter is very soft. Like what I'm saying. Woo! I love it. I love it. Very clean. This is really boy. It's Jack. It's boy, of course. I like it. I like that. It's pink and gray. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna live here.
Why not?
This is Dustin's and mine is over there. Cher's gonna be downstairs. You know what, Alila? Okay, and now this where?
Now this opens up to the landing.
Let's turn off the light because the electricity is expensive in America. And now where are we headed?
Master's bedroom is not fully
That's
done
your
yet,
private.
just because our furniture was just delivered today. So, but
Oh.
I just want to give you a sneak peek, but bear with us if it's not really completely done.
Sneak peek. Oh, wow. This is the sneak peek. Come here, baby.
This is the master's bedroom.
Oh my God, it looks like the king and queen fits here. It's very fitting for us. Wow.
I'm the king with the queen.
Yeah, ganon. Oh my God, this is so nice. And then it's very golden. I love it. Oh, but
Right.
you know, we're not done here because we're gonna come back for the fully furnished
Yes,
room.
yes.
And you guys, this is a private space, okay? So it's private. Let's go to something not private. Come here, come here. So where are we going?
So we're going to my office or my vanity room.
Right.
Knock. Can I get a pair of my shoes, please?
Excuse me?
Are you lost?
This is you guys, this is so this girl has a shoe problem.
Do you call that shoe-aholic?
I told Gracie that, you know, this is not enough. She needs more. This needs to be up here. Like this is not
We need
enough.
more shelves.
This is not enough at all.
No, my husband said this is all I get. This is the only space I get for my shoes. So anytime I get a new one, I gotta get rid of one.
Woo! I love it. You guys, this is just a half of the shoes. Just kidding. So wow, girly. Beautiful place, by the way. You know, you guys, you need to have a friend with a house, okay? We don't have a house, they have a house, so in case of emergency, knock, 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 can we crash your place for like a year or two? That's how you do. I love it. Thank you for touring me around. Thank you,
welcome.
girly. So it's her birthday today, you guys, and
Yes.
I crushed her birthday. So you're gonna
Thank
get
you.
ready?
Yeah.
Let's
go
do
ahead and
it.
get ready.
Where you at? I just